Good morning, kind King George. Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, even if it was different. And now I'm excited to welcome everyone back to school virtually. Our students, staff, and parents have all experienced loads of changes and new things. And returning to school virtually is really just another example of how resilient everybody is. And your amazing ability to be challenged with new things, well, wow. I'm just so proud of everyone, and I thank you for making an important commitment to connecting daily with all of our King George teachers. We can do it, even if it's sometimes hard. We will help each other. So, following the routine of a school day is something that we want everyone to really try and do this week. And sometimes you'll be connecting live to hear a lesson or to receive instructions from your educators. Sometimes you'll watch a video link, like right now with me. And other times you'll work away at home and then share your work back. You'll also be able to work with all of your teachers in all of your subjects. And as long as your parents are okay with it, you will get to go outside for recess and some fresh air too. So please, everybody, reach out to your teachers. And if you have any questions at all, keep checking Edsby. Talk to us, look for messages. We are just an email, phone call, or Edsby message away. Let's also remember that even when we're working and learning from home, we want to acknowledge that we're living and learning on the traditional territory of the Mississauga Anishinaabe First Nation. And for that, we are sincerely grateful. And as part of trying to keep the things that we do here in a school day as normal as possible, your teachers are also going to take attendance every morning, and they're going to play the national anthem for you. And we want you to keep being proud of living in this great country that we have and attending school with kind King George. Let's also keep in mind that now that January is here, we have the grandfather teaching of honesty to think about, and that means being true to yourself and acting in the best way you know how. There's the character trait of optimism, which we are all going to work on by being positive and hopeful that we're back together very soon. And lastly, virtual learning is a perfect opportunity for us to work on our learning skill area of focus, which is organization. So keep your learning materials organized at home, watch the clock to see what you need to be doing when, and do your very best to stay on top of everything you need to do. That's how you can be organized. You've got this, everyone. And in addition to all of your efforts at learning from home this week, let's remember the importance of just even the small daily little actions that we can do that help bring happiness to ourselves and to others. Everyone in our school, from kindergarten up to grade 6, staff members included, can take a look at the Happier January calendar. And even your parents have a copy of this because it's in their Parent Peek of the Week this week, and we made it available in Arabic, English, and in French. But today's reminder on our January happiness calendar for January 4th is even perhaps something you might be able to do virtually in your classroom today, or maybe at home with your family. But we're asking you to write or share out loud a list of things that you feel grateful for in life and why. I know that I'm going to commit to doing this. So how about all of you too? And one of the first things that I am going to be grateful for is that we're keeping healthy and following the rules of the lockdown. And by doing this, we hopefully will be back together really soon at school. So let's now make special note of birthdays that have passed since we were last together. Brooke, Sophie, Greer, Ben, Oliver, and Hazel all celebrated their birthdays already. And this coming week, Owen A., Maddie, Carter, Owen L., Danik, and Layla are also turning another year older. Congratulations to all of you. So those are your announcements now, and you can get started with your virtual learning this week. As always, respect yourselves, each other, all of the adults at home and school and in the community. And have a great week, kind King George. Stay well, be swell. You've got this.